untie the band, and remove the following tools: a screwdriver, grip, and Allen wrenches. So we're going to go ahead and work on removing that from the existing passenger seat. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Ninja of One YouTube channel. So, in this video, we're going to put together the Pillion Cowl to replace the passenger seat. I've already got the passenger seat off, and over here I have a little bit of soapy water to kind of help put that little pad on the back, and we'll get to putting this together now. So let me set up the camera and get to it. All right, first step, we're going to open up the page, and it's telling us to remove the bolts on the holder, and then remove the screwdriver, untie the band, and remove the following tools: a screwdriver, grip, and Allen wrenches. So we're going to go ahead and work on removing that from the existing passenger seat. right, let's see how it fits. There we go. Wow, that's a really good fit there. Looks really good. Wow. I think the blue or the white would have been better, but hey, that's all they had, so that's what I'm going with. But hope you enjoyed. We'll see you on the next one.